I'm Akira and this is Ayo. Welcome to Tagalog for Kids. And today I'm going to teach two opposite words, slow and fast. Slow is mabagal. Mabagal. Fast is mabilis. Mabilis. Ayo is slow, or si ayo ay mabagal. Si ayo ay mabagal. I am fast, or ako ay mabilis. Ako ay mabilis. Ayo, you're too slow. Or, ang bagal-bagal mo, Ayo. Ang bagal-bagal mo, Ayo. I'm a little too fast for him, so he tells me, Ate, which is big sister, slow down. Or, Ate, bagalan mo. Ate, bagalan mo. He's a little too slow for me, so I tell him, Ayo, go faster. Or, Ayo, bilisan mo. Ayo, bilisan mo. Like that. Mabagal, mabilis. Mabagal, mabilis. Mabagal, mabilis. Okay, that's all for today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye then!